food. It's tea time.
Wicked!
So
Breakfast time.
no, it's not. It's tea time.
We're at breakfast for tea.
But we're having breakfast for tea because we'd had spuds last night, haven't we? And so we're having the rest of the spuds. So let's have a look what's
Come and
under
see.
the pan. Let's have a look what's under the pan. Look at that. No eggs on yet, obviously. Oh,
All cooked by me. The
Well,
wickedster.
you seriously are Mr. Mega Chef, aren't you?
There's me what?
Bonkers. But it's looking good. You are you must admit that you are better at cooking than me, Wayne. And I do appreciate it.
5-star. Hygiene rating
I was
for
going to say.
me. Lid back on. Keep the dirty flies away.